What happens with missing semicolons in programming? Have you ever stared at your code, puzzled by an error message that just doesn't make sense? One common culprit could be missing semicolons. So, what really happens when you forget to include these tiny but mighty punctuation marks in your programming? Let's break it down. In many programming languages, semicolons serve as statement terminators. They signal the end of one instruction and the beginning of another. When you omit a semicolon where it is required, the compiler or interpreter struggles to understand your code. This confusion leads to syntax errors, which prevent your code from compiling or running correctly. The impact of a missing semicolon varies by programming language. In languages like C, C++, Java, and JavaScript, semicolons are essential. If you forget one, you will likely encounter an immediate syntax error. For instance, in C or Java, the error message will point to the line after the missing semicolon, making it seem like the issue is further down the code. JavaScript has a feature called automatic semicolon insertion, or ACI. This attempts to add missing semicolons during parsing. However, relying on ACI can lead to unexpected behavior in your code. It's a bit like a safety net that sometimes fails to catch you. On the flip side, some modern languages like Python, Swift, Kotlin, and TypeScript do not requiring semicolons. They use other methods, such as line breaks or indentation, to determine where statements end. In these cases, missing semicolons are either not an issue or completely optional. From a debugging standpoint, missing semicolons are a frequent source of frustration. Error messages can mislead you, pointing to lines that are not the actual source of the problem. To troubleshoot effectively, always check the lines before the error message for any missing semicolons. Using an integrated development environment, or IDE, can be a game changer. Many IDEs come with syntax highlighting and error detection features that help you spot missing semicolons quickly. This can save you time and reduce the headache of hunting down errors. In summary, missing semicolons can lead to syntax errors in languages that requiring them. These errors stop your code from running until you fix them. Understanding how semicolons function in your programming language and utilizing tools that highlight syntax issues will help you troubleshoot and debug your code more effectively. So next time you encounter an error, take a moment to check for those sneaky missing semicolons.